Hey guys, this is Hunter, and I'm here to bring you an unboxing of the Galaxy S5. What's in the box? The first thing you will find in the box is the Quick Start Guide, which tells you basic functions of your phone and how to do them. Next is the actual Galaxy S5, but we'll come back to that later. Now is your SIM card. I should mention that this is the AT&T version of the Galaxy S5. Here's your smart switch documentation, as well as your health and safety and warranty documentation as well. Here's your USB 3 cable, followed by your headset and microphone, which comes with different sized earpieces, and your charger. Here's your 2800 milliamp hour battery. And finally, let's get to the actual phone itself. Here I will do a size comparison between a Galaxy S3, my previous phone, and the new Galaxy S5. Both are relatively similar thickness. Here I'm going to install the SIM card, my 32GB micro SD card, and the battery. So let's boot up the device. Here I'm gonna sign into my Wi-Fi. Accept the user agreement and disclaimer. Looks like I have to activate my phone. Sign into my Gmail account. Off camera. Yes, this device belongs to me. Skip, 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 skip. Yes, I know I need to keep the battery cover closed properly so that it's dust and water resistant. The device seems really smooth and fast. Here's a look at My Magazine and the notification screen, as well as your toggles. And Google is automatically restoring all of my previous apps from the Galaxy S3. You have a choice of using TouchWiz or Nova Launcher, which is nice. I personally prefer Nova. The general layout and application view looks rather flat compared to the Galaxy S3. I feel like this is going to be a new trend for both Apple and Android in general. I'm not saying that I dislike it or anything, but you let me know in the comments what you think. Here's a look at the stock Samsung keyboard. I'm going to try typing 3 different ways. First by swiping, then vertically, then horizontally. Let's take a look at the stock internet app. Now we can test the new 16 megapixel camera. I don't really have anything interesting to take a photo of, but I can always use my previous phone for comparison. So this picture looks pretty good, although the focus isn't completely perfect, as you can see from the Samsung logo at the top. I'll try taking another one. Alright, this one turned out pretty good. Nice and clear. You can see lots of details when you zoom in. I should also mention that this is a low light situation. listen to see how the stock speaker is. Initial impressions are sound quality is very clear, although a definite lack in bass as expected from a tiny speaker. Here you'll see me squishing this poor defenseless ant who just happens to be invading my room. Probably shouldn't be eating at my desk normally, but I do. Well, there you have it. On the bottom, you'll find the charging port / USB cable port, which also has a gasket on it to form a nice seal. And that's it for this unboxing and first look of the Galaxy S5. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think. Like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you dislike it, and subscribe.